Hello, everyone.
In all 9 votes. You did. Okay. Having a huge focus. Yes, we did have campaign in KZN, when a concentrated campaign in Gauteng, because we analyzed the trends in those two provinces. So we didn't focus on them. We campaigned everywhere. Okay. I've been to 9 provinces myself. Okay.
But when you say you're surprised at MK's early lead, how come, when you understand the kind of impact the former president has had in that particular province, especially for the posse, the ANC?
Now, if the impact is in KZN, it reflects something different. It reflects Zulu tribalism. And I don't think we should actually lock ourselves into Zulu tribalism. Tribalism is a backward form of politics. It is having this time frame, it disappears. So if that is the factor, I'm not worried about it. I don't know. I'm not talking coalitions now. I'm watching results. Results will determine whether we need a coalition.
The national chairperson of the African National Congress, Gwede Mantashe, has called KwaZulu-Natal people tribalist people after seeing the polls in KwaZulu-Natal. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is leading the province so far. He was speaking on SABC News and said that he doesn't care about Jacob Zuma because he was given 10 years to lead this country and brought nothing in parliament but tribalism. The provincial results, with at least 2.56% counted, Umkhonto weSizwe Party is leading in KwaZulu-Natal with 39.91%. The DA is leading with 44.58%, and in Western Cape, the DA is sitting at 56.42%. ANC is leading in Eastern Cape by 70.25%. In the Northern Cape, ANC is also leading with 48.86%. In Northwest, ANC got about 53.56%. In Free State, the ANC got 50.09%. In Limpopo, the ANC got 41.81%. But nationally, ANC is really feeling the pain. So far, it is sitting on 43.23%. The DA is sitting at about 27.31%. The Economic Freedom Fighters is sitting at about 7.51%. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is sitting at 6.76%, followed by PA that is sitting on 4.36%. The VF Plus got 2.88%. Inkatha Freedom Party got 1.49%. The ACDP got 0.63%. The Action SA got about 1.83%, which is 0.59%. The IEC is still counting the votes. Let's wait and see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.